kay Mahinay at easy score yan. Sa kabila naman is still at convert play up para kasi
No problem. Gravera. Not get that one to go. Jeremy Mahinay finally ends the drought para dito sa Quezon.
And Marky actually knew it.
What an atmosphere.
So, but this is why you play the game. This is why we call this game.
Oh,
Sarap ng ganito.
and I think this is the one of the reasons why the MPBL is such a great league. Abundo, baba kay Mahinay in position underneath. Blocked by Hamito. Mahinay will try again, and Mahinay will score.
Now that is one thing that possibly Quezon can start building on. Mahina is not afraid to get into contact in anyone under the paint. And let's see how far that...
To the left side, Alvin Abundo. Try to dance with Cyrus Tabi. Abundo, tough shot. Short, Mahinay, the offensive rebound and the stick back.
And that is what I was saying. Jeremy Mahinay provides that physicality, that extra hustle in the past few possessions. Let's watch here first. Jeremy Mahinay fake pass. Sumunod si Gabayan going for that hook shot. Jeremy Mahinay really stepping up on the offensive end. Not really a guy who will be doing that.
It's for the Quezon Huskers. Lagrama on court for a three. No good. Mahinay snatches it away from Michael Mabulak and gets the bang and the bucket.
Right place at the right time after that fumble. That ball will land to the hands of Jeremy Mahinay. 4 white shirts. Good tap coming from Minerva. Mahuhulog sa kamay ni Jeremy Mahinay. And that will be a foul from Michael Mabulak, giving an opportunity for Jeremy Mahinay to extend help. The late defender always ends up with a foul. Pero tignan muna natin itong highlight. Tingin sa kanan, tingin sa kaliwa. May kakampi pala ako. Finding him at the exact position he needs to be. And to pin Lagrama, finding that highlight.
Oh, he had Rafi Verano already.
Our first game and our second game. Kung naging yung energy, yung fast rate, yung up-tempo.
Napakalayo.
Oo, yung sa quality as well. Talaga really had, yung step up, no?
Jeremy Mahinay really adding to that.
Yun natin, the team that was in, alam mo yun, medyo sa mababa sa standings before, ang daming umangat eh.
And that's the beauty of this season. Abundo. Drop pass to Jeremy Mahinay plus the foul. Finally, a basket for the Quezon Huskers. A much needed one para sa kanilang kupunan.
Just in the nick of time, itong set up ni Abundo going to Mahinay. Good. What's good? Ang magandang ginawa ni Jerby doon is finishing strong. Kasi wala na talagang pupuntahan. Siya na yung talagang magti-take ng shot. Kasi aabutin na talaga sila ng shot clock violation.
Mahinay seeks the bonus.
The NCAA, how they play here in the Phil San Juan Arena, alam mo yun, komportable yung mga yan.
Jeremy Mahinay was looking very comfortable underneath.